Hi gorgeous, welcome. In this video I share a quick tutorial on how to make hair moisturizing conditioner or a hair butter. So keep watching, do not skip to see the step-by-step on how to make this hair moisturizing butter and also how I apply this hair butter towards the end of this video. And if you're new, consider subscribing. In this channel, I upload amazing hair and skincare videos on how you can even make them at home yourself. So consider subscribing and be part of this amazing family. To make this hair butter, we need shea butter, and I go in with a cup or about 250 ml of shea butter. And right here I'm going in with a tablespoon of coconut oil. These are hair moisturizing butter and oil that I love so much. And I'm going in with an unrefined palm kernel oil. I go in with a tablespoon, and next I go in with my neem oil, a tablespoon as well. Neem oil and unrefined palm kernel oil are such amazing oils. My 4B 4C hair loves them so much. And then I'm going in with my vegetable glycerin. This is a humectant, and you can replace it with either castor oil or honey. And this is a teaspoon of my black seed oil. I'm using the last drop of it. And this is my mint oil. I'm going in with a teaspoon, and that's the last drop of it, so it is time to replace. And here is my vitamin E oil. You need vitamin E in this recipe to help preserve other oils and also benefit from the amazing nutrients that vitamin E offers. And lastly, I'm going in with my rosemary essential oil. This is my favorite essential oil. I use this almost in all my recipes. So we have it, everything is set, and in my area this butter melts easily, so I'm not going to be double boiling this or dipping it in hot water to melt. I just go in with my whisking machine to whisk. And while I was whisking, I realized that my camera was not recording. I think I've whisked for about 2 minutes before I realized, but all I did was just to go in with this and hand mixer and whisk. And then I also used my spatula to kind of combine the ingredients properly and go in again with my mixer. I mixed for about 5 minutes before I got the kind of fluffy texture I wanted, and I'm okay with this texture, so I'm going in with my jar. I recycled this jar, so I will be storing my my mixture, my hair butter in this jar. And this gave me about 250 ml worth of hair moisturizer, which is great. So this hair butter or this hair moisturizer is my favorite. I have 4B 4C low porosity hair, and this kind of mixture helps me to combine hair moisturizing and sealing oil together. That is why I incorporated the vegetable glycerin, which is a humectant that can help lock in moisture. So instead of going in with my hair moisturizer and coming in again with a sealing oil like castor oil, I just combined everything, and straightforward I moisturize my hair and get my hair to lock in moisture as at the same time. So here's my freshly washed hair. On this day I washed my hair, then deep conditioned with banana and aloe vera hair mask. I have the video, it will be coming up very soon. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to see the video. I'll be uploading the video very soon, right after this particular video. So my hair is wet already and I just have to go in with my hair moisturizer. Also remember that while moisturizing your hair, you have to moisturize a wet hair, like lightly wet hair and not dry hair. For the shaft of our hair, especially if you have low porosity hair if you have low porosity hair like I do, then you need to wet your hair. Normally, natural hair, type 4 natural hair, need to be moisturized on a damped hair. If you moisturize a dry hair, your hair shaft will not be able to absorb, or the moisturizer will not be able to penetrate deeply into your hair. And especially if you have type 4C low porosity hair that takes longer time to absorb nutrients, then you need to moisturize a lightly wet hair. This helps to open up pores and allow your hair shaft to absorb the nutrient faster. So I washed my hair and I rinsed up with warm water, which is excellent for my kind of hair. It kind of opens up my hair shaft, my pores, and allow my nutrients to penetrate deeply, allow the hair moisturizer to penetrate deeply. Also, I like to section my hair into maybe 4 or 6 sections and moisturize them one after the other, or a section at a time. This makes it easy for me to manipulate my hair without having to stress my hair, stress it too much, if that makes sense. So all I did was just to apply my hair butter or my hair moisturizing conditioner, and I brushed my hair starting from my tip, that's the tip of my hair, towards the root, and get my hair moisturized. Then I put it in this protective style, keep it here. This is to keep it safe and ready for whenever I want to style my hair or kind of slap a scarf or a wig or any kind of thing I want to use on my hair and just get on the go. Also, I do not apply this hair butter to my scalp. When applying anything on my scalp, I always like light oils, light moisturizing oils that can easily penetrate my shaft, my hair scalp rather. So I don't apply my butter to my scalp. Sometimes this can make the scalp kind of greasy and kind of heavy and can clog pores, even though our hair is different, but this can clog pores and kind of make your hair itch. So I do not apply this to my scalp, and I don't use this hair butter every day. I use it sometimes 2 times every 2 days or 3 times in a week, or depending on the kind of activity that my hair is going through. So moisturizing my hair with this hair butter and keeping it in this kind of protective style has been helping my hair to retain length. My hair wasn't this long about 2 months ago, and it's amazing how fast my hair has been adding inches. And the good thing about this hair moisturizing conditioner or hair butter is that it is an all natural hair butter, and it is great for almost the entire family. I use it on my daughter's hair as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, do stay healthy and do stay beautiful.